Hey guys, Rhino here. So today I got a call and we're going to San Bernardino, and we're going by the 15 freeway and the 138 highway. There's a Ford F-150 rear wheel drive and got stuck in soft sand. You know, usually rear wheel drive versus soft sand will always, you know, take the win. However, it's over 100 degrees here. They've been stuck there for a little while. They had little kids, but somebody, you know, picked them up because it's so hot right now. We're heading that way. We're gonna get them out, and of course, you know, once I get there, I'll keep recording. Thank you. Está bonita la troca, pero necesitas una 4x4. Por te digo, está bonita, pero siempre un 4x4 es mejor. Alright, so we got him all hooked up. He's gonna go in reverse, as you can see. And I'm gonna start pulling right now. So, sorry I don't have nobody with me to help me record. But I'll try to do my best. Alright, let's go. Alright, so we hooked them up on the front and now we're pulling them forward. You can see that he's having issues and so am I. But we're moving. That's what matters. We have the Ranger up there checking on us. So let's go. On our way out, we found another family, and they were also stuck, and they also had kids with them. Okay guys, we got him out. He's going home. We're going home. Actually, we're gonna go help those people over there too. Thank you guys for watching our videos, and we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, pues aquí estamos. Traen aquí sus motitos en la traila, pero se les enterró. Y está bien enterrado este. Vamos a ver cómo. Let's see how we're gonna get them out. I think the easiest way will be to put them backwards. And let's get to it. Alright, so we got them all hooked up. Let's see how it goes. Sorry guys, I forgot to do my final shot. But as you can see, we got them out and they're going home. As you could hear, they have little kids also. So as always, thank you guys for watching our videos, and we'll see you next time.